Hiccups. Oh, hello, Pig.
Kipper, would you like to come to the park? Arnold wants to feed the ducks.
I'd love to, Pig, but I've got the hiccups at the moment. I'll come along when I've got rid of them.
Put a finger in each ear and stand on one leg. It always works for me. Doesn't it, Arnold?
Oh. Well, thanks, Pig. Maybe see you later. No. That's silly. That wouldn't work. Perhaps if I hold my breath and count to 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good. They're gone. Oh, no. Ears. Droopy ears, sticky out ears, earache, fever, flu, fat paws, face ache. Where is it? Goggle eyes, giddiness, headaches, whooping cough. Ah, there we are. Hiccups. To cure hiccups, place yourself in an upside-down position and sing a song. Sing a song? Oh, well, I suppose it's worth a try. I don't want to have the hiccups. Hiccups, you must go. I don't want to have the... Ah, that's better.
Hello, Kipper. It's a lovely day, isn't it?
Yes, Jake, it's a lovely day. A lovely, lovely day. I don't think I've ever seen such a lovely...
I think you've got hiccups, Kipper.
I know. I've had them all day. I can't get rid of them.
Well, I could always give you a bear hug. That always shifts them.
Oh, are you sure?
Oh, yes. Come on, you stand here.
Jake, I think you've done it.
You see? A good bear hug.
Thanks, Jake. Oh, I don't think they'll ever go.
But a bear hug always works.
Maybe it's because you're not a bear. Silly old pig. This'll never work. I wonder if Tiger knows a cure.
Oh, hello, Kipper. Have you tried holding your breath and counting to 100? Oh. What about standing on your head and singing a song? Pig said you should do what? Well, I wouldn't listen to Pig. Everything he says is silly. Kipper, have you tried drinking a glass of water from the wrong side? No? Well, that should do the trick.
Which is the wrong side? No, that can't be right. What does tiger mean? So that's the wrong side. Well done, Tiger. Ah. Oh, no. Please, go away. I've tried everything.
One, two, three. Quiet, everyone!
What's all the noise for? You really gave me a fright.
Sorry, Kipper, but it had to be done.
Well, I don't think it's very funny.
How's the hiccups going, Kipper?
Oh, I can't get rid of... Wait a minute. They're gone.
I said it would work, didn't I?